You are going to love 2004 RX 330. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, roof rack, dual power mirrors, power sunroof, rear wiper. Inside you'll find heated seats, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, cassette player, telescopic steering wheel, climate control, tilt steering wheel, leather interior. This luxury SUV from Lexus debuted in 1998 and was the first luxury SUV to hit the market. Besides being the pioneer for luxury SUVs, the RX 330 gives the driver similar dimensions to the Jeep Grand Cherokee with the refinements of Lexus and quality of Toyota.